Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create jewelry sale promo using custom shapes. Start with a black gold gradient background, then add thin line shapes to create premium borders. Insert diamond inspired polygon shape, add glowing circles behind product images. Insert ribbon shaped prices labels, add tiny dots for glitter effect. Now use a rectangle for the offer section. Now add shape based icons for premium service. Use soft shadows for depth. Align all elements precisely. Add brand initials in a gold circular